Hey creators, welcome back to BlipCut channel. Today, I'm showing you how to take long videos and turn them into shareable highlights in just a few clicks with BlipCut's AI Clip Maker. Convert long video into viral short clips within minutes, with auto-generated titles and descriptions to streamline your posting process for platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube and more. Let's dive in. Click the link below first. This tool is like your shortcut for creating video clips with a little AI magic. Instead of spending hours on editing and translation, it helps you whip up snippets from your videos and even translates them into different languages. Perfect for reaching a global audience with way less hassle. Hit the Try Free Online button and you will see a prompt to upload your video. Click to upload any video file you want to make clips from. Next, you can adjust settings like clip length and let BlipCut auto-generate titles, captions, and even translations. Just choose your target language if you want it translated. Once you're set, hit Generate. BlipCut will work its magic and cut your long video into short clips with attention-grabbing subtitles. It even suggests captions for social media platforms. When it's done, you can preview your clips and download or directly share them to your favorite platforms.
Swish! I can't believe Auntie Gladys is really gone. Her legend will live forever.
Yeah, the legend of the dog-faced woman. Swish!
Easy, right? And that's it. Try it out and let me know in the comments how it worked for you. That's a wrap. Don't forget to stay tuned for more. Catch you in the next one.